What are you doing? What do you have?
We got the Blox Fruit Mystery Flash.
Okay.
This is limited edition.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's so expensive.
Oh. Is that what is that called?
Blox Fruit, yeah. Let's open this.
Oh, using your teeth.
Yeah, I don't. My hand is not powerful enough. I got the smoke fruit here. I got it.
Oh my god! It's wet! It's wet! It's wet! Scratch off.
Yeah, this is for the game. Oh my god!
What is this?
This is a plushie. This is
What the difference between plushie and squeezy?
squishy.
Yeah.
Plushie is like a doll, and squishy is it's like this.
Huh?
Don't you hear me?
Yeah. Squeezy is like a doll, and plushie is like.
No. Plushie is like a doll,
Then.
and squishy is like this.
Can I have?
No.
So this is squeezy. This expensive one is squeezy.
Yeah.
You said this is plushie.
Yeah, but tulisannya plushie, tapi aslinya
Gitu.
squishy.
So all of the squeezy this expensive. I've never played this kind of toy when I was
No. Do you know
a kid.
why this is
uh
expensive?
no.
Just one single of this.
Hmm?
This is for the game.
Then what will happen?
We claim the code on the game.
You put that code on the game and then you will get something.
Yeah, let's claim it.
Okay,
Apa
okay.
itu, Bang?
Okay, let's see at home. Okay,
Why at home?
because there's no battery at all, so I couldn't share a hotspot signal.
No, just for a single moment.
No, because we can't take the Grab without my handphone.
Uno momento.
No.
After the grab, can I?
Yes.
After we get into
Yes. The Grab driver calling.